Good morning, students. Beryllium hydroxide react with acid or base. Beryllium hydroxide formula BeOH twice. BeOH twice. That acid taken HCl, base taken NaOH. So both are taken two times. What happened? That beryllium taking chlorides. Beryllium taking chlorides. BeCl2. Remaining hydrogen and water molecules. Hydrogen and water molecules. Here two hydrogen, totally 4. So front of you write 4 times. Two oxygen is common. Next, sodium and beryllium oxygens. Sodium NaBeO. Sodium 2 times, so write 2 times, beryllium 1 time, oxygen taken 2 times, remaining H2O. How many means? Here 2 hydrogens, 4. So front of you write 4. So 2 oxygens. Next lesson, Unit 4, titled Hydrogen. Introduction. Hydrogen is the simplest atom. So one electron, one proton. One electron, one proton. And daily life across the many, for example, water and carbohydrate C6H12O6 and many number of proteins, etc. That all are is involved hydrogens only. So hydrogen is atomic number 1. So unpaired electron will be present. Unpaired electron will be present. Atmosphere in very small amount only available. Position in periodic table. Hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1 because atomic number 1. So first unipositive electron. Unipositive ion H plus, as like that alkyl metals Na plus, potassium plus, Cs plus. All are is the group 1 elements. Next, second point, form halide HX, form oxide H2O, form peroxide H2O2, form sulfates H2S, like alkyl metals also. That HX means NaX, next Na2O, Na2O2, Na2S. It acts as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. Alkyl metal ionization energy. Alkyl metal ionization energy 377 to 520 kilojoule mole inverse. But hydrogen ionization energy 1314 kilojoule mole inverse. So much higher than alkyl metal. First one alkyl metals, second one hydrogens. So hydrogen much higher than alkyl metals. Next, like the formation of halide means from halogens and tendency to gain of one electron. Gain of one electron. To form them H minus. So hydrogen electronic configuration similar to noble gases, similar to noble gas, like for helium. Halogen following evidence that of hydrogens, that means one hydrogen accepted on electron means getting hydrogens. So delta H value positive 336 kilocalorie mole inverse. And as like bromine also halide, we are to accept one electron getting bromine, the delta H value a negative minus 55 kilocalorie mole inverse. The hydrogen similarity to alkyl metals as well as halogens also. Alkyl metal also like and halogen also like. Next, difficult to find right position in the periodic table. Most of the compounds consist in +1 oxidation state. So reasonable places hydrogens group 1 alkyl metals is latest published for IUPAC. Isotopes of hydrogens. Isotopes of hydrogen. First one, protium. Simple H1 or simply called hydrogen. Second one, deuterium. H12 or D. Third one, tritium. H13 or T. That protein is in how much percentage is available means 99.985 percentage available. Only isotope then remaining does not contain the neutrons. Second one, deuterium. The deuterium is then called heavy hydrogens. Deuterium is called heavy hydrogens. So how much percentage is available means 0.015 percentage only available. Next third one, tritium, radioactive isotopes. Radioactive isotopes traces approximately 1 atom per 20 to the power of 18 hydrogens atom. 18 hydrogens atoms. In table number 4.1 will be given properties of protium and deuterium, tritium is given the one table. We have to read it. Next topic, orthopara hydrogens. Orthopara hydrogens nucleus has spin. Nucleus has a spin. Nucleus has a spin. The spin having same direction, both hydrogens spin having same direction means that is called orthohydrogens. Is called orthohydrogen. Spin is opposite directions. Spin is one spin is the upward, another spin is the downward. That hydrogen is called parahydrogens. Parahydrogens. At room temperature normally orthohydrogens 75% at time. Parahydrogens only 25% at time. Ortho is the more stable than para. That orthohydrogens converted into the parahydrogens. Converted into the parahydrogen, which at least means platinum or ion catalyst used. In backward reaction also possible, para to ortho. It also converted passing electric charge, heating at how much temperature means 800 degrees Celsius. And paramagnetic molecules, both are paramagnetic molecule such as O2, NO, NO2 with nascent atomic hydrogens also called. The nascent atomic hydrogen means common bracket used means nascent atomic hydrogens. Next, orthopara hydrogen similar to chemical properties. Similar chemical properties. Ortho hydrogen, para hydrogen. Melting point 13.95 Kelvin, 13.83 Kelvin. Boiling point 20.39 Kelvin, 20.36 Kelvin. Spin twice a proton. Here para hydrogen 0. Next, preparations of hydrogen. That high purity of hydrogen, how much means 99.9% obtained by electrolysis of water method. Electrolysis of water method. At anode. At anode. The taken base OH released 2 hydrogen means form H2O plus 2 electron of O2. Second reaction, cathode. The releasing of water molecule react with 2 water molecule accepted 2 electrons. So what happened? 2 OH minus plus H2. Now overall reaction, 2 electron cancel, 2 OH cancel, remaining 2 H2O gives H2 plus of O2. Then here also one water molecule less. So H2 gives H2 plus of O2. That is in 99% will be getting the product. Next, laboratory preparations. Laboratory preparation means such as the metal zinc, iron, tin with dilute acids. With dilute acid. For example, taken zinc, Zn plus 2HCl gives. Why 2 times means zinc is the divalent ions. Zinc is the divalent ions. That means zinc need 2 bonds. So write 2 times. H2 plus ZnCl2. Hydrogen is the gas. That is the laboratory preparations. Next, industrial production. That large scale of hydrogen produced steam refining of hydrocarbons. Steam reforming of hydrocarbons. See the reaction. That hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon. So methane react with water molecule H2O gives in the presence of nickel catalyst. So what happened? That carbon taking oxygens. Carbon taking oxygens. That means CO is obtained. Remaining how many hydrogen here? 4, here 2. So H2. 4 plus 2, 6. So front of you write 3 H2. The another process also available. That another process available. The steam passed through the red hot coke. Steam passed through the red hot coke. That red hot coke means carbon react with water molecules. At how much temperature means 1000 degrees Celsius. So what obtains? CO plus H2O. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen mixture is called water gas. or syngas. Water gas or syngas. Next, carbon monoxide react with water molecule. What happen? That carbon dioxide plus hydrogen formed. In this reaction, catalyst iron or copper will be used. At what temperature is means 400 degree Celsius. That reaction is called water gas shift reactions. Water gas shift reactions. And reaction also continue. Carbon dioxide react with potassium carbonate K2CO3 plus water molecule. What formed means combination reaction. Combination reaction means KHCO3. How many times? 2 times KCO3. That oxygen go to added means carbon dioxide converted to CO3. So carbonate 2 times, potassium 2 times, hydrogen 2 times. Your front of your right 2 times. Next, properties of deuterium. Properties of deuterium normal water 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 percentage obtained from heavy waters. So dissociation protein water more than that of heavy water. Protein water more than that of deuterium waters. H2O more than that of D2O. So D2O is the electrolysis reaction gives to D2O, that electrolysis what happen? Deuterium and oxygen released. Deuterium and oxygen released. Next, preparation of deuterium. That preparation of deuterium means the small amount of only available. So what will be happen? You see the reaction. Lithium atomic number 3, mass number 6, and added 1 neutrons. N01 gives helium 2 to 4 plus deuterium T13. So how to balance in this reaction means this is called nuclear reaction. The nuclear reaction means atomic mass only balanced. Atomic mass only balanced. First atomic number 3 plus 0 3. Here also 2 plus 1 3. So atomic number balanced. Above atomic mass 6 plus 1 7. Here 4 plus 3 7. So atomic mass also completed. Physical properties. Hydrogen is the colorless. Second, odorless. Third, tasteless. You eat means tasteless. And lightest. And highly flammable gas. Right? Flammable gas. And non-polar solvent. And diatomic molecules. And readily liquefy and low temperature and high temperature. Good reducing agent. Next, chemical properties. Hydrogen react with oxygens. So what give water molecule produced? Combination reaction. Hydrogen react with halogens. X2. So what produce 2HX. That X equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodines. That is the HX. X equal to halogens. Hydrogen react with lithium. Third reaction Li plus H2. So lithium taken 2 times because monovalent. So what happened? 2 LiH, both are 2 times. Next is sodium. Sodium react with the hydrogen. So sodium 2 times. So NaH 2 times. Next LiH taking come to the product again react with aluminum trichloride. What happened that hydride will be formed, lithium aluminum hydride. Remaining for here 4 Li, 1 Li going means remaining 3 lithium. That 3 chlorine is not product, so write Cl, LaCl. That is second product in sodium hydride. Sodium hydride react with NaH, react with boric acid, gives NaBH4. Another hydride will be formed. Remaining 3 Na and 3 oxygens, 3 CH3, NaOCH3. Next, unsaturated compound come to the saturated. Unsaturated compound come to the saturated compound. You see the example. That unsaturated compound taken first triple bond CH. That added nickel in the presence of nickel hydrogen means CH2 double bond CH2. What happened? Breaking one bond, both side added one hydrogens. Again nickel in the presence of catalyst plus hydrogen means that one bond broken hydrogens. So CH3 that triple bond converted to double bond converted to single bond. So unsaturated means triple bond or double bond is called unsaturated. Saturated means single bond.